Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone says your software is up to date but actually it is not. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, remove beta profile if you have any in your iPhone. For that, first we have to go to settings. Then we have to tap on general, and under general we have to tap on profiles. Now find and tap on beta profile and tap remove profile. Put iPhone passcode and tap remove to confirm. If you want to restart, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap on not now. Now go to software update and check your problem is solved or not. If you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions to fix this issue. Solution number 2, launch settings. Then tap general and tap iPhone storage. Now we have to make sure that we have enough free space to download and update iOS version, and also check is there is any update available. Download it, update, then delete the update and re-download. Now we go for solution number 3. First we have to go to settings, then we have to tap on general, scroll, find and tap on reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Also check the following solutions. Reset network settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Finally, we go for final solution, try the force restart. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.